and for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use animated GIF in Scratch. So first, you want to upload your GIF. So let me just look for my GIF right here. So there, we have this basic, very basic GIF that I just created. So given that, as you can see, if we go to costumes, it just generates a lot of costumes because Scratch doesn't really use or doesn't really read GIFs. Basically, it breaks it down to different frames. So what you're going to do is you need this block to keep it animated. So this green flag block, then forever block, the next costume, and then you want to put a slight delay so that the animation is smoother. So when we click the green flag, it now breathes. So that's how easy it is to animate and use GIFs in Scratch. Thank you so much for watching. Please